What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rhino-Rack Vortex. I've had this for 2.5 years now and I'll let you know what I think about it. So the Rhino-Rack Vortex clamp mount is a really great buy because it's a budget-friendly rack. Different ones are pretty expensive, like the Pioneer, this one is actually quite cheap and it's really good quality. So I've had this Vortex rack for about 2.5 years now, and it's been on this for that long. I haven't actually removed it and it's been pretty good. I haven't done any tightening to it, but when you kind of shake it, it's still quite stable. So I'll just show you how the clamp mount is. So I've had this clamp for that long and it hasn't leaked at all. It's been on really tight as well. So when I close it, it seals up really well and there's no rain comes through it. See how tight that is? And I haven't had any rain or any leak. So with this rack, it's actually lockable. So you've got the key there, so it can't get stolen unless you've got the key. So over 2 years, it hasn't actually faded at all. And the rubber is still intact as well, right there. So what I like about this rack is that I can put so many accessories on this. And I've got the light bar bracket right there. So that's really good and it's really stable. So with this rack I can put so much accessories. I can also put my XDM awning. So with this rack, it's such an affordable price and you can put so many things on there. I've also put my camp light on there. So I've also added some eye-rings so that I can do some tie downs. So it comes with this blue lock and you put it on here and you can actually turn it like this and remove that. And once you remove that, you can also put your bolts this way through here. And you can put it back in again. And then you use this to lock it. And that's locked. So the only thing wrong with these, sometimes that rubber there that locks it kind of gets faded away once you've locked it too many times and it scratches. It gets worn out and then sometimes it's hard to lock. So this is the other side of the clamp mount. I'll just show you how stable it is. And it just shakes the whole car. So I'll just show you how I've mounted the LED light bar. And that's where the wiring is. I've just cable tied it. So with this Vortex bar, I can put so many things on top. I can put my max tracks in here. And I can also put a really wide solar panel. It's got so much room. It's not really a heavy duty bar, so you gotta make sure your load capacity is in the limit. The only thing is you have to make sure you cut the rubber thing properly, otherwise you'll get a bit of gaps like this one here. So what I've noticed after 2.5 years, there's a bit of discoloration there, but that can easily come off. Rhino-Rack makes a really good brand and quality. So this rack and clamp mount hasn't let me down. It's such an affordable roof rack, and compared to the Pioneer racks, which is quite expensive, this one is really affordable. So this clamp mount is really easy to install. I've got a video on how to install it. So people ask a lot about the wind noise of the Rhino-Rack Vortex, and it's very minimal. You can't really hear it. So when I first installed it, I thought I was going to hear a lot of noise, but it's very little. But when I installed the steady light bar, it had started a bit of noises. So maybe just the little gaps around here or under here, it made a bit of noise, but that's only during when it's really windy and in highways, but it's not very loud. So the light bar I've got is a slim light bar, which still has airflow underneath, and that way you don't have that wind noise. So the wind noise is very minimal because there's a lot of airflow that you can go through underneath. Comment below, guys, if you like this Rhino-Rack bar. Would you buy it, or would you buy something else? Guys, I've also got new merch on my online store. Go and check it out. I've got singlets, hats and shirts, and there are Champion t-shirts as well, which is a pretty good brand. I've also got stickers, a bag and even a water bottle. So I'll put the link on the description below. Also, you can become a member of my YouTube channel. It's really cheap and affordable, and you'll get access to early videos and chats as well. And if you like my YouTube channel or any of my videos, you can also do a super thanks to support the channel. It would really be appreciated if you give that support so I can do more videos and more reviews for you guys. So that's the review of the Rhino-Rack Vortex clamp mount. So I've had this for so many years now, and I've given it a thumbs up, and it's a great buy if you're in a budget for any roof rack. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.